Fusen founders. Agent maximization by Buildify Agents. Solo founders face infinite backlogs with limited bandwidth. Support ticket strain hours. Manual metrics. Fundraising takes weeks. The solution? AI agent teams replace entire departments. Over 50 specialized agents for analytics, development, customer success, and fundraising. Reach 90% autonomy in 8 weeks. Week 1-2, 30% autonomous, 23 hours saved. Week 3-4, 60% autonomous, 33 hours saved. Week 5-8, 90% autonomous, 84 hours saved weekly. Total time saved, 84 hours per week across development, analytics, support, and growth. ROI, invest 64 hours, get back 336 hours monthly. 5.25x return. Break even in week 1. Start today with Buildify Agents.